There is a $3 block of wax that waterproofs any boot. Not for a week, not for a month, for an entire hunting season. It seals leather so tight that water rolls off like oil on glass. It does not crack in the cold. It does not melt in summer heat. It has been used since ancient Egypt to protect animal skins. Trappers in the 1800s rubbed it on every pair they had. Mountain hunters in the Pacific Northwest swore by it every fall. Civil War cavalry soldiers treated their riding boots with it. The United States military used it on field boots for decades. The first commercial version was invented in 1933. A mountaineer named Omidaiba created it for climbing boots. He needed something that would seal leather without softening it. Beeswax was the answer, and it still works exactly the same today. The outdoor industry sells chemical sprays for $15 to $30. They last 2 weeks at best before your boots leak all over again. Beeswax lasts an entire season for $3 and no chemicals. Wet hunting boots mean cold feet. Cold feet mean lost focus fast. Lost focus means missed shots and bad decisions in the deer woods. This $3 block of beeswax solves what sprays never could, and almost nobody in the hunting world even knows about it now. This is the story of the old trapper wax the outdoor industry hid. Welcome to Hidden Hunter Wyatt. Subscribe and tap the bell now. If these buried hunting methods matter, then this is where we dig. This is where we bring back what modern hunting culture buried. The year was 1874 in the North Maine wilderness. A fur trapper named Silas Coombs ran a line along the Allagash. He spent 6 months a year in snow, rain, and frozen creek beds. His leather boots were the only barrier between him and frostbite. Every autumn before the season, Silas melted beeswax over a fire. He mixed it with a small amount of bear tallow in a tin camp cup. He rubbed the warm mixture into every seam and stitch of the boot. Then he held each boot near the fire so the wax melted deep inside. The leather darkened and the pores sealed completely shut for good. Water beaded off those boots the same way rain slides off duckback. Silas wore the same pair for 3 full winters without a single leak. His field journal mentions the wax treatment 5 separate times. Trappers along the Kennebec River used the same method every year. Loggers in Washington state rubbed beeswax on their cork boots. Hunters across the Appalachian Mountains carried small wax blocks. They treated their boots at the start of every deer season by hand. Cavalry soldiers during the frontier wars got issued beeswax tins. The Army Quartermaster records list beeswax boot treatment in stock. Ranchers in Montana waterproofed saddles and boots with the same wax. Old cobblers in New England kept beeswax tins on every workbench. They told customers to treat their boots twice a year without fail. The method worked because beeswax melts at 146 degrees. That means once it solidifies inside the leather, it stays locked in. It does not migrate through the leather like oil or chemical grease. It sits in the outer fibers and blocks water at the surface level. No other natural substance seals leather with that kind of strength. For over 300 years, this was the only boot treatment used. Then the outdoor industry invented chemical sprays in the 19, and beeswax quietly disappeared from every hunting supply shelf. This video is just the surface of what the industry really buried. I collected everything modern hunting culture hid under fancy gear. All of it lives inside the complete Forbidden Hunter's vault today. Ghost scent methods that make whitetail miss your hunting trail. Silent stalking footwork built from real old mountain hunter steps. Blood-trailing logic that turns a lost deer into a clean recovery. Hidden funnel terrain logic that changes how you read the deer woods. Sub-zero furnace setups built from simple field logic and no gear. Deadwood firecraft that lights a campfire in the hardest cold rain. Invisible camp layouts that keep your entire presence off the woods. Appalachian meat cache systems that still hold up in the backcountry. 8 powerful modules in one place. No fluff and no filler at all. The link is pinned at the very top of the description just below. Stay right here. This hunting video is just getting started strong. Now listen carefully. Here is the science behind why beeswax works. Beeswax is a complex mixture of esters, fatty acids, and alcohols. It contains 0 water-soluble compounds in its natural structure. That means water cannot dissolve it or break it down on contact. When rubbed onto leather and heated, the wax penetrates the pores. It fills the microscopic gaps between the collagen fibers inside. Once cooled, the wax hardens into a solid moisture barrier in place. A study on leather waterproofing confirmed wax outperforms silicone. Silicone sprays sit on the surface and wash off within 2 weeks. Beeswax bonds to the leather fibers and lasts months without fade. The melting point of 146 degrees makes it cold resistant. Your boots can sit in 30-degree weather without losing the seal. Chemical sprays crack and peel in cold conditions every single time. Beeswax flexes with the leather and moves without breaking apart. Compare 2 hunters in the same November deer woods after a storm. Hunter 1 sprayed his boots with a $15 chemical product. By mid-morning, his socks were soaked through from the wet terrain. He left his stand early because his feet were numb in the cold air. Hunter 2 rubbed $3 of beeswax on his boots the night. His feet stayed dry through 8 hours of sitting in the wet woods. Same forest, same rain, same morning. 2 different boot results. If you made it this far, you already know more about boot care than most hunters will ever learn from any outdoor retail store. Subscribe and share this with someone who still values real craft over expensive chemical sprays that stop working after one rain. The full vault link is pinned at the top of the description below. Now stay with me because the next part matters even more than this. So why does almost nobody teach beeswax at the outdoor supply shop? Why did this old trapper method disappear from the hunting world? The outdoor boot care industry generates hundreds of millions each. Chemical waterproofing sprays are sold at every single retail chain. Nikwax, Kiwi and a dozen other brands fill the shelves every year. Most sprays cost between $12 and $25 per bottle. Each bottle lasts about 2 applications before you need another. That means a serious hunter spends $40 to $60 a season, every year, on a product that washes off in the first heavy rain. Beeswax threatens that entire repurchase cycle with a single block. One $3 block of raw beeswax covers 2 pairs of boots. One application lasts an entire hunting season without retreatment. You cannot build a repeat purchase business on something that lasts. That is exactly what the outdoor industry quietly hates about wax. They replaced beeswax with silicone sprays starting in the 60s. They marketed convenience over durability because it sold faster. Old cobblers who recommended beeswax retired and closed up shop. Boot care aisles filled with chemical products that need replacing. A whole generation of hunters grew up trusting the spray bottle. While the $3 beeswax block sat forgotten on the shelf, they did not have to ban it. They just had to stop talking first. And silence buried 300 years of real boot care knowledge. Here is exactly how to waterproof your hunting boots with beeswax. Buy a block of pure raw beeswax from any craft or farm supply. A 1-pound block costs between $3 and $6 on average. Clean your boots thoroughly and remove all dirt and dried mud first. Let the boots dry completely before you start the wax application. Rub the beeswax block directly onto the leather surface by hand. Focus on every seam, stitch line, and the area around the sole. Cover the entire boot with a thin, even layer of raw wax on top. Now use a standard hairdryer on medium heat across the surface. You will see the wax melt and absorb directly into the leather. The leather will darken slightly as the wax fills every single pore. Keep heating until the wax disappears into the surface completely. Add more wax to any spot that looks dry and heat it again to seal. Pay extra attention to the toe box where water hits the hardest. Pay attention to the tongue where rain runs down into the lacing. Let the boots cool and wipe any excess wax off with a clean cloth. Your boots are now sealed against rain, mud, snow and wet grass. Water will bead on the surface the way it rolls off of a duck wing. The wax will last through an entire deer season of hard, wet use. Compare this to a $20 spray that washes off in 2 weeks. One $3 block does what $40 of spray cannot hold. Old trappers in Maine used the exact same method on the same boots. They got 5 full winters from a single pair treated with beeswax. Modern hunters buy new boots every 2 years because leather cracks. The leather cracks because chemical sprays dry it out over seasons. Beeswax conditions the leather while sealing it against the water. It keeps the fibers flexible, so they bend without cracking apart. Your boots will last longer and stay drier with a $3 fix. I need to be honest with you about one real limit of this method. Beeswax darkens leather permanently when it absorbs into the grain. If you care about the original color of your boots, this will change. Most hunting boots are already dark brown, so the change is minimal. but light-colored leather will shift to a deeper, richer, dark shade. For hunting boots in the field, this is not a problem at all, really. Function matters more than fashion when you are sitting in the rain. One more thing. Beeswax does slightly reduce leather breathability. Your boots will hold heat a little more than untreated leather does. In cold weather, that is actually a benefit for keeping your toes warm. In summer heat, you may want to use untreated boots for comfort, but for fall and winter deer season, this is the perfect treatment. This knowledge did not die. It waited inside old cobbler workshops. It waited for someone to bring it back to the American hunter now. For 300 years, this was the only way a man sealed leather. No factory, no chemical lab, no marketing team with a spray bottle, just a block of wax from a beehive and a warm fire to melt it in. That was enough to keep a man's feet dry through the worst season. If this video helped you, then subscribe and share it with someone. Every share preserves what the modern outdoor industry tried to hide. The vault link is pinned at the very top of the description below. The next buried hunting method opens soon, and it is even heavier. Until then, remember what the old trappers always whispered quietly. $3 of beeswax beats $30 of spray every time.